In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Play Store Wishlist. If you've ever spotted an app, game, book, or movie on Google Play and wanted to save it for later, the wishlist is the perfect place to keep everything in one spot. It's a simple feature that makes discovery and planning a lot easier, especially if you like to compare options, wait for sales, or keep track of recommendations. Here's how to open it. Start by launching the Google Play Store app on your Android device. On the top right of the Play Store home screen, tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, choose Library. Inside the Library section, look for Wishlist and tap it. That's it. You're in. You'll now see a list of all the apps, games, books, and movies you've saved to revisit later. It's a clean, organized view, and tapping any item will take you to its store page so you can read details, check reviews, and decide whether to install, buy, or simply keep it saved. From the wishlist screen, you can manage your saved items at your own pace. If something no longer interests you, remove items one by one to keep the list focused on what you actually plan to try next. This is helpful if your wishlist has grown over time and you want to streamline it. Removing an item from your wishlist doesn't uninstall anything or affect past purchases. It only clears it from your saved for later list. If you prefer to start fresh, you can clear the entire wishlist at once. To do that, go back to your profile menu and open Settings. In Settings, go to General, then Account and Device Preferences, and choose Clear Wishlist. Confirm your choice, and your wishlist will be emptied in one step. Keep in mind that this action can't be undone, so be sure you truly want a clean slate before you proceed. This only removes wishlist entries and doesn't impact any content you've already installed or purchased. A quick tip: the names or locations of menu items can vary slightly with app updates, but the wishlist is always accessible through your profile area and library. Once you know where to look, it's quick to find and easy to maintain. That's all you need to access and manage your Google Play Store wishlist. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, head to Library, and then Wishlist to see everything you've saved, clean it up item by item, or clear it completely from settings when you're ready.